Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to check the updates, the newest updates of your friends on a TikTok application. So the first thing you have to do now is just go open the TikTok application, and the TikTok will bring you on the home sections, and you just need to wait. And you can see, so there will be like 3 sections over here. There are friends, following, and for you. So for you will be containing a lot of random video that have highest amount of viewers or likes that suggest to you by the TikTok system. And the following here is the account that you follow. So this will be containing like a lot of video or a lot of live
What does
sections
Sailor want to do when she
about the video, the account that you follow. So to check the newest up friends is just jumping into the friends. So friends here is something that or someone that you follow on a TikTok and they follow you back, and you just need to go click this that the newest update of your TikTok account of your friends. So that's the way how to check the newest updates of your friends on a TikTok. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.